Hello, good afternoon po. Magluluto po tayong pizza, homemade pizza. Cut bacons, cheese, cut mozzarella cheese, pineapple tidbits, and bell pepper and onion. And lastly, mushroom. Okay, i-open na po natin to.
Ano yung ginamit?
And it's a spread po natin.
Huwag lahat.
Pero pizza na doon.
Di ba sabi sa'yo, hindi ka